Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Zarsuela and you're watching Easy Makeup Artist. And if you're looking for a information or educational video on how to become a working makeup artist, and for those people who has no budget yet to afford to a makeup school but still looking for alternative education on how to start their career, then you are in the right place. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification so that every time that I will be releasing new videos, you will be notified. So guys, let's keep on watching this video. Natin is what are the essential makeup kit that helps to practice hygiene. So kailangan mong malaman to ano-ano yung mga tools na ito na kailangan mong gamitin. Okay? So, kailangan, una, you have a set of disposable. Meron kang set of disposable makeup sponge, cotton pads, meron kang Q-tips, or cotton swab ang tawag doon. You should also have a mascara, disposable na mascara brush, and disposable na lipstick or lip wand, or lipstick brush. Ito papakita ko sa inyo ha. So ito yan, dapat bilang isang working makeup artist, ang professional makeup artist, you always practice hygiene. So kasama dito na meron kang ganito dapat, meron kang box ng ganito na kung saan nakalagay yung mascara, disposables mo na mascara brush, no? Papakita ko, mascara brush, meron kang dapat mascara brush, and yung makikita mo na puti, this is what we call a lip wand or lipstick wand. This is for gloss, for lip gloss, pwede rin for mattes. And meron kang cotton pads, meron kang disposable na Q-tip para pag dito nagkakamali, ito yung panlinis mo, or pag naiiyak. Of course, hindi dapat mawawala yung disposable sponge, no? Kung wala kayong mga beauty blender, disposable sponge. Pag marami yung client mo, maramihan yung client mo, mas maganda you invest in disposable sponge. Okay? Pero pag mga 1 to 3 heads lang, no, meron ka dapat na makeup sponge like beauty blender or real basta sponge meron ka for your 1 to 3 clients, or kung hindi ka ma-sponge, ni makeup brush ka naman. So, meron ka dapat 70% alcohol. Lagi, always have an alcohol for disinfectant. You should always have a makeup brush cleaner. This one, I got it from Indira Makeup Artist. You could check her out. I'm going to link her Facebook na lang and inquire kung gumagawa pa siya nito. Pero, I don't know kung meron pa. Pero ito at least, pag mabilis ang gawa at kailangan mong malinis yung brush mo, then dapat meron ka nito. And at the same time, since meron kang makeup brush cleaner, dapat meron kang maraming dalang tissue. So, hindi lang to panglinis. Also, pag kailangan ng client mo sa set, or pag nagpi-prenup, or pag may client ka talaga na pawisin, no, pabaon na mo siyang tissue, or kailangan mo talaga ng tissue. Kung may budget ka, aside from makeup, aside from alcohol, you can also buy a Lysol wipes, no, disinfectant wipes, kung may budget ka, and hand sanitizer, no. Kung wala, then it's okay, basta lagi kang may dalang alcohol. And also, hindi pwedeng mawawala, as a working makeup artist, kailangan meron kang stainless steel na spatula where you are going to place all your makeup products dito. Your lipstick, your liner, your cream blush, your cream eyeshadow, your foundation, cream or liquid foundation, lahat. So, dito mo siya ilalagay. Okay? Bakit stainless steel? Kasi dito, hindi kumakapit ang bacteria dito kesa sa plastic. Though, okay lang naman kung wala pa tayong budget for buying stainless steel. Yung mga may plastic na ganito, okay lang. Basta, lagi mo siyang pupunasan ng alcohol. What else? Mas maganda, dalawa ang spatula mo. This spatula, ang purpose nito is to pick up foundation, lipstick, liner, cream blush, cream eyeshadow, liquid concealer, cream contour. So, ito yung pang-pick up ng makeup products mo na kailangan meron ka nito. Okay? Importante yan. Stainless steel din. Kailangan din meron kang face mask. Okay? Lagi kami dalang face mask. Baon mo yan lagi. Okay? So, now that I discussed yung mga tools for hygiene practices, ito naman yung palagi nyong tatandaan. And please make sure you write this down and ilagay nyo to sa heart ninyo and sa puso ninyo. As a working makeup artist, you always practice hygiene. Sa lahat ng bagay, your appearance, the way you dress, basta practice na malinis ka, very presentable, because it also gives impression sa magiging client ninyo. Maganda na presentable, hindi naman kailangan fashionista ka, as long as you wear proper clothes naman. Mas maganda, 'di ba, lagi naka-close shoes, magandang itsura, hindi mo kailangan naka full makeup, basta maayos, malinis, and that gives a good impression sa ating mga future clients. Now, ito yung mga tips ko. Ito dapat yung pinapractice natin, lalo ka na kung magsa-start ka sa makeup career. So, number 1, always wash your hands before and after mong humawak ng client. Okay? So, kung wala namang washroom doon sa area, you always see to it na nakikita ng kliyente mong naglalagay ka ng alcohol sa kamay before and after. Bakit? Bakit kailangan makita? Or pag mag-wash ka ng kamay, nasasabihin mo sa client, lagi mo sasabihin, ma'am, I'll wash my hands first bago ko kayo ayusan. And even after, ma'am, wash lang po ka na hands. Or ma'am, apply lang ako ng alcohol before I start touching your face. Why? Of course, dahil to practice hygiene, to avoid contamination, since ang kamay natin, di ba, kung saan-saan humahawak yan. At the same time, pag nakikita kasi ng client mo at narinig ng client mo, no, na you are aware na kailangan malinis ka, it gives them assurance na yung nag-handle sa kanila ay isang professional makeup artist, di ba? It gives them the assurance na malinis ka talaga, di ba? Kaya nga i-practice natin, even di ba sa mga bahay natin, di ba? Kailangan, gusto natin ng bahay malinis, maayos, even sa sarili natin, as well as when we work as a makeup artist. Remember, ang kamay natin, we always touch different kinds of faces. So, kailangan malinis lagi ang kamay mo. Ini-inform mo sila lagi, ma'am, I'll wash my hands. Kailangan marinig nila yon. Kailangan pinaparinig mo talaga sa kanila yon. Narinig nila, ma'am, I'll apply alcohol muna. Kailangan makita nila yon kasi it gives them, I'm telling you guys, that is true. They are really hindi man sila mapagsalita, but they observe. So, mas maganda na you give them the assurance na malinis ka, malinis ang mga gawa mo, malinis ka as a makeup artist. Talagang dinidiin ko talaga, guys. You always practice hygiene, no? As a makeup artist. And then, always use a face mask. Lalo na kapag ikaw ay may sakit or inuubo, hindi magandang nakikita na umuubo ka. Yung umuubo ka tapos gumagawa ka ng makeup. Rather, please wear face mask. No? Kasi nakaka-ano naman sa client yan. Kahit hindi nagsasalita yung client mo, they are aware. Masiselan din ng client. So, always wear face mask. And at the same time, kapag ang client mo naman ang may sakit, or kung ang client mo naman ang may ubo, may sibon, at least, you are protecting yourself also para hindi ka mahawaan ng virus. So, maganda talaga na nagbabaon ka ng face mask. Okay? What else? Eto, tatandaan nyo to. This is a standard practice and it is a must practice to every makeup artist or working makeup artist. Eto na yon. No double dipping. No double dipping. Ibig sabihin, paano yung double dipping, Miss Elo? Double dipping, hindi pwedeng, say for example, ito yung yung makeup, no? Double dipping, yung makeup sponge, nilagay mo, malinis. Kumuha ka dito. Tapos, nilagay mo sa mukha. Yung double dipping is, ginamit mo na, nag-touch na yan sa face ng client mo, isasawsaw mo ulit sa foundation. At the same time with the powder, ganun din. No, not with the powder, I'm sorry, with the liquid foundation, with the creams, with the cream blush, no double dipping. Kasi, yung mga makeup mo can be cause ng contamination ng bacteria. Kaya nga, may purpose tayo ng spatula. So, kaya ang spatula, hygienic yan. Dito ka ngayon, ito ang pangkukuha mo ng product mo. Lalagay mo, isi-scrape mo yan, at ilalagay mo sa stainless steel. Dito mo ilalagay. Then, dito mo isasawsaw yung mga sponge, yung brush. At least, hindi nako-contaminate yung cream products natin. Okay? Kaya nga sinasabi ko, no double dipping. Even sa lipstick. Sa lipsticks, ganun din. Kaya may ganito ka. Kaya nga dalawa yan, no? May pang ano ka. I-scrape mo sa lipstick bullet. Kukunin mo, lagyan mo sa palette. Doon mo isawsaw sa palette yung brush and sponge mo. Okay? Pagkatapos mo mag sponge, pagkatapos mo gumamit ng spatula sa makeup, always clean them after use. Okay? So, pagkatapos mo gumamit ng sinawsaw mo to, ginamit mo, even yung makeup palette, no? Yung stainless steel palette, after mong ginamit yan, punasan mo agad ng alcohol. Okay? Sprayan mo agad ng alcohol, then, up to the next client ka na ulit. So, for mascara, kaya meron kang disposable mascara brush para hindi mismo ng mascara ng nasa tube ang gagamitin mo, because it can create contamination. What if kung ang client mo may sore eyes, tapos ito mismo yung ginamit mo, ito mismong wand ng mascara mismo, then matatransfer mo yung bacteria sa isa pang client mo. Hindi mo pwedeng wisikan to ng alcohol. So that's why I'm telling you, use the disposable mascara wand. Okay? Once na ginamit mo na yung disposable mascara wand, hindi mo na pwedeng i-double dip yan sa tube. Tapo mo na yan, kuha ka ng panibago at i-apply mo ulit sa mata ng client mo. Okay? Kasi we are avoiding contamination dito, guys. Kasi we take care of our clients also, pati yung gamit natin. What else? Gel liner. Mas maganda kung magla-line ka. Gel liner, kumuha ka using the spatula, lagay mo sa stainless steel palette mo. Doon mo ilagay, doon ka magsawsaw sa stainless palette mo, mag-eyeliner. Kung ang ginagamit mo naman ay pencil, ang gawin mo ay after mong i-sharpen yung eyeliner pencil mo, sprayan mo na alcohol, punasan mo, let it dry for a few seconds, tsaka mo gamitin sa client mo. Then, after use, sprayan mo ulit ng alcohol, let it dry, tabi mo. Yun yung i-practice nating hygiene. Same with the lip pencil, ganun din. I-sharpen mo, spray alcohol, let it dry, gamitin. After, spray alcohol, let it dry, itabi mo. For the lipstick, it's the same. Use spatula. Use stainless steel spatula. Please, huwag niyo pong gamitin yung lipstick bullet directly sa lips ng client mo. Please. Pati yung lip gloss. Do not use the lip wand ng nasa bottle. Please. To avoid passing on bacteria sa isang kliyente to another. That's why meron kang disposable lip wand. Okay? So, please lang po, i-practice hygiene. Huwag natin i-transfer yung bacteria. So, importante yon na gagamitin mo yon. Or if ever, for example, nagamit mo yung lipstick bullet mismo, say for example, ito, ginamit mo directly sa lips ng client mo, then mas maganda, sprayan mo ng alcohol, let it dry for a few seconds, then itabi mo. First, mas maganda, scrape mo na lang, lagay mo sa palette, stainless palette, at doon mo isawsaw yung makeup brush or disposable makeup wand. Okay? Eyeshadow powders. Paano sinasanitize yung mga powders? Eyeshadow, blush on powder, or face powder. So, what are you going to do is, for example, I have a powder type here, highlighter, kunwari, ginamit ko siya, no? Nag-double dipping ako dito. After I use, sprayan ko siya ng 70% alcohol, and then I let it dry for a few seconds bago ko isara, bago ko tabi, or bago ko gamitin sa susunod na client. Okay? With the brushes, mas maganda, kaya nga kayo may quick makeup brush spray para in case na gusto mong linisin bago mo ayusan yung isang client mo, no? Meron ka nun, tissue. For quick cleansing and disinfection or panglinis, linisan mo na agad and then spray mo ng konting alcohol. For deep cleaning naman, mas maganda, every after gig mo, hugasan mo maigi yung brush mo. Or, kung hindi mo kaya, at least do it 3 times to 4 times a week ang paghuhugas ng makeup brush mo using a makeup brush shampoo, or kung wala kang makeup brush shampoo, Joy Antibac, no? Pwede mong gamitin yon in a warm, soapy water, hugasan mo siya. Again, para mas thoroughly malinis yung brush mo. And for the lash curler, punasan natin to ng sanitized na 70% alcohol. Ganun din yung ating sharpener. Sprayan nyo ng alcohol, punasan nyo ng alcohol. Basta make sure that everything ay malinis. Everything pinapakita nyo rin sa client na malinis ka talaga. Hindi lang sa itsura mo, but even how you do makeup, you practice hygiene. Okay? So guys, I hope to see you on my next video. Don't forget to click like on this channel, like this video, and share. Please share this sa mga kaibigan nyo na gustong maging makeup artist, na gustong matuto. I'm here for you guys. So, I'm going to help you, and I'm going to do my best to give you information na kailangan nyo to become a working makeup artist. So, thank you guys for watching. God bless you. Bye!